My health condition was I had a heart that would not race, but intermittent heartbeats. They called it an arrhythmia. Originally, it was diagnosed in 1992. They said it was a mitral valve. Then I had it checked by other heart specialists. They said, no, that's not true. But I was put on drugs for that. Then I got off the drugs because it made me feel so sick. And then it took about 4 years going to different doctors and them all telling me what it was and what it wasn't. Finally, they were convinced that it was all in my head and that I was nuts. And I came to Jay and Joe and Tim here in Birches. And Jay goes, well, there's a nerve that goes to the back of the heart. Let's see if we can do some muscle manipulation to help with that. Immediately, it helped. And immediately I noticed a difference. My heart stopped going out of arrhythmia. It started at normal pace. And I'd been having a problem with it maybe 50, 60 times a day where it would do that. And then with the manipulation, there were weeks that I would just have normal heart rhythm, normal heartbeat. And then as years went by, we would keep addressing it, because it was a constant sort of problem still, but it was now a problem that I could address and sort of cut off. And they helped me with that. So for years, I was given misdiagnosis and treatments that they told you I was insane. And coming here, they gave me a ground base to see that a lot of it had to do with just muscle manipulation and something going a little haywire that was causing this to happen. Since then, I've been in a hospital once where they said, oh yeah, you've definitely got an arrhythmia or an extra heartbeat, they called it. And I asked the doctor in the hospital, 3 different surgeons, 3 different doctors, and they all said, yeah, well, we really don't have anything that helps with that, and we really can't do anything for you. And again, coming back to Jay and Joe, they helped manipulate it. It's the same situation. They could make it recur, and then I was able to work it out of my system. That and magnesium. I now take a little bit of magnesium. But Jay and Joe have been wonderful. I've been here a number of times for other work-related incidences of shoulder strain, collar pulled out, back being wrenched, and I've had a lot of success and a lot of help through them. And I don't see many doctors because I don't get sick very often. And one of the reasons is I attribute to their manipulation, their overall look at holistic health, helping you with vitamins and helping you get everything together that you need to get without having to take all those toxic drugs and everything else that the doctors want to do to you. Cut away the problem. Maybe let's take a look and see if the problem can be dealt with by working with the body itself. And I think they're wonderful at doing that. And God love them.